To start using the smart bulb, we first need to install the Wipro Next Smart Home app. So open Google Play Store, search for Wipro Next Smart Home app. Once you find it, just go ahead and install this. Of course, you also have alternatives on the Apple Play Store for the same app. So once the installation is done, go ahead and open the app. On opening, it will ask you to register. Go ahead. And then type in your email ID that you would like to register for this particular account. So once you confirm this, a verification code will be sent to the email ID that you entered. Wait for this. Once you get the email with the verification code, copy this and then enter the same code into the Wipro Next Smart Home app. Go ahead and set the password. So this setting is not required, so you can go ahead and cancel this. So now you're ready to start onboarding your device. So you can basically add your smart bulb. So let's try it. So we can select the Wi-Fi option. So once we do select it, it gives us instruction. It tells us that connect the bulb, switch on the light, and then wait for it to quickly flash or quickly blink. So we have not done this yet. So let's go ahead, or let's go back and let's go ahead and start with the installation. Now let us go ahead and set up the bulb. Keep your bulb handy. Make sure that you choose a holder which is of B22 type. It should not be of the screw holder type. So just push it in and then turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and then it fits in automatically. Now switch on the light. So the instruction says that you need to rapidly switch it on and switch it off thrice, and then the light should start blinking. So let's try it. So sometimes this doesn't automatically happen. So try it a couple of more times. If this still doesn't happen, just wait a couple of seconds after switching it on and it should automatically start. So now that it has started, click on the add device and select the light option with Wi-Fi. So once you do that, it gives the instructions as before. So now that the light is also blinking, we can go ahead and confirm it. You can either enter the Wi-Fi and password directly, or you can click on settings, enable location. This will enable the app to actually search for the nearby Wi-Fi, and then it will list out. So select the Wi-Fi that belongs to you and then enter the password so that the device can connect to this particular Wi-Fi. So this settings allows your bulb to actually go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi and make it available over the internet. So once you hit confirm, it goes ahead and starts connecting. So this will take a little bit of time, so be patient. And while this connection happens, somewhere in between, the bulb stops blinking. So this indicates that the connection also has been successful, but still the progress is still going on. Please wait for it. So now the message has come that it has been added successfully. So you can now start using your Wipro smart bulb. Let's go ahead and test the brightness. So as we reduce it, we start to see some flickering. This is mainly from the video, so the lights are fine. The flickering is mainly because of the change in frequency of the illumination of the bulb. So that doesn't match with the video recording, so that's why we see it. At maximum frequency, maximum brightness, we should not see any recording problems. So as we see, the brightness appears to be quite fine. So when we try switching it off and then switching it on, it perfectly works. So let's try changing the colors now. So as you see here in the colors tab, we can go ahead and select any of the colors. So this can cover almost all of 16 million. So you have a circular slider. You can either click on any part of it or you could just slide your fingers over the different colors. And the response is quite good. The colors are quite nice. As you see, a complete gamut of colors is available and a fun way to play around with all the colors. Next, we need to link the Wipro Next Smart Home app with the Amazon Alexa app. So to do this, open the Wipro Next Smart Home app. On the right bottom corner, click on the profile. And once you do this, you can click on the More Services. And here you can click on the Amazon Alexa. So now you can confirm that you would like to link both the apps together. So it will now ask you to sign in with the Amazon Alexa account. Go ahead and enter it. Now you need to give the confirmation which will allow the Wipro app to access the Amazon Alexa app and also enable its skill. So go ahead and click allow. We now need to wait for a couple of seconds before both the apps are linked, and now you see the confirmation that the linking is successful. It also informs you that if you would like to disable this linking, you can go to the Alexa app and then explicitly disable the Wipro Smart Home skill. So now you can go back and open the Amazon Alexa app. So once you do this, at the right bottom corner, you can click on the devices, and once you do that, you can see your lights enabled here. So click on that, and here you will be able to see your Wipro Smart Bulb. It's in the off condition right now. You can also enable the suggestion from Alexa, which allows you to switch off all lights just by saying goodnight. Now, quickly test if the lights are switching on or switching off by manually toggling the button. Now click on the Alexa button at the bottom of the screen and enable the hands-free option. This will allow us to control all the lights using the Alexa voice commands.
Alexa, switch on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch the color to green.
Sorry, what device?
Wipro bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of the Wipro bulb to red.
Okay.
Alexa, good night.
Okay.
Alexa, switch on the light.
Okay.
Alexa, switch the color to yellow.
Sorry, what device?
Wipro bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, switch off the light.
Okay.
And that's all we have for today. If you really like this video, please hit like and subscribe to this channel for more such content.